Hey everybody, I'm Rosie and welcome to AlphaBOLD's crash course on D365 Customer Insights Journeys. In this video series, I'll be walking you through the marketing app from the fundamentals all the way to building real usable journeys. Now, this first video is all about the Journeys app, and I'll show you how to set up your environment so that you can follow along through the rest of the series. Now, first and foremost, what is Customer Insights Journeys? Customer Insights Journeys, or CIJ, is Microsoft's real-time marketing automation tool built on Dataverse. Now, I'll call this application a lot of different names throughout the series. This application is formerly known as the D365 Marketing App, but it has been rebranded to Customer Insights Journeys, or CIJ. Occasionally, I may call this the Marketing App, or the Journeys app, or just CIJ. It's all really the same thing. It's just sometimes my brain gets confused and I just call it one thing or the other. Now, going back to our regularly scheduled program, this application allows you to design, automate, and personalize customer experiences across channels like email, SMS, events, and much more. It really focuses on event based real time interactions. This means instead of just sending bulk campaign messages to a certain amount of audience members, we can then trigger responses or actions based off of those customer interactions from our campaign. Like maybe they submit a form, or they click on a link, or they're opening a message. All of those are behaviors that Microsoft is tracking as responses, and then we can trigger on top of that to continue that engagement with our customers. Now, before we can use CIJ, we do need to make sure that it is installed in an environment. If you are just learning CIJ or you're building demos, the easiest option is building a new trial environment. To do so, please go ahead and navigate to the link. I'll make sure to link it on this video, or maybe we'll post it in the description below. I'll make sure our team does that for easy access. And yeah, so in that link, go ahead and select the try for free option. And so it'll ask for your information. Go ahead and put in your email in there and your region. Now, that's going to make sure that it is applying the appropriate application based off of the region that you're in. And then it may take some time to load. So let's go ahead and give this a second, and then we'll be right back. All right, now that that's fully loaded, we'll see two things. We see customer insights journeys and customer insights data. Now, for this series, we will be reviewing mostly customer insights journeys. However, customer insights data is kind of like a second piece of the customer insights realm. The data side, CID, focuses a lot on things related to consolidating your audience members. So if you have an audience from coming in from multiple different sources, but you need to track them so that you can send marketing messages to all of them, but you don't want to accidentally have multiple contact records with the same information and accidentally send emails to both records when you really just want to send it to one. We would then ship that into data and kind of build this golden record out so that all information from multiple different pieces come together as one. And then we are now able to cater our journey messages to that one person rather than having them in multiple different realms. So it's a great way to kind of consolidate. Now, it will all then map back into using customer insights journeys. So for this series, we are just looking at customer insights journeys and kind of building out the basics. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or comment below, and we're happy to help. All right, so now that we're ready to go, we'll go ahead and select start on the CIJ side, and that's pretty much it. We now have the new trial installed, and just as some quick points on the left-hand side, the left navigation, this is what we call the sitemap. It's just a collection of tables. Each of these will have different sorts of data. So if we take a look at the journeys or the segments, this is pretty much what we'll be reviewing for the rest of the series. We'll go through each step of the way, how to build out these journeys, how to build out these segments, building out these email templates, and all the good stuff. We'll even go through some of the settings and just some quick things that we might want to be learning throughout the series. So that pretty much concludes our first video of this Customer Insights Journeys series. Like I mentioned, we're going to be covering a lot more of information in the following episodes. So feel free to go and watch those as well. If you have any questions, or if you are not able to find a particular topic, please let us know, and we are happy to connect with you and go a little more in depth on a couple of these items. And if you have any suggestions on what other items we should cover, or whether it's journeys related, or maybe customer service or sales, or whatever other application you're looking for more information on, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll look into creating more of these series. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you soon.